So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. There are now 2 new rideshare companies that could take over Uber and Lyft.
Oh, wow. So, wait, it says 3, but it only names 2. Okay, Uber Lyft alternatives plan to launch in May. State lawmakers advance new rideshare bill. So it's saying 3 alternative rideshare companies, Move and My Wheels, received approval to operate in Minneapolis and expect to launch in mid-May.
Where's the third one?
Yeah, I don't know. Huh, that's cool.
This is the CEO of Move. Interesting, guys. We need to review this app, Move. Maybe we can reach out to them and see if we can advertise them, because we're always looking to help out the smaller businesses.
Yeah, true.
And also, this is happening in a state where Uber and Lyft were threatening to leave too, so it's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Or was that Minnesota? I don't know. I got those two mixed up.
Oh, Minneapolis is in Minnesota, right?
Probably. They have the same, almost similar spelling.
Or, I don't know.
Okay. More than 10 rideshare companies expressed interest in entering the local market when rideshare giants Uber and Lyft said they would cease operations in the city. Oh yeah, so it is the right one. That was the right one I was talking about. Local debate took a turn on Monday when state lawmakers announced they had agreed on a new payment formula that would be included in a rideshare bill. Legislation calls for paying drivers $1.27 a mile and 49 cents a minute. Interesting. So, oh yeah, here they are. There's 3.
Oh, okay. So there's Move, Rides, and My Wheels.
That's an interesting way of spelling rides.
Yeah.
Warids.
Or they're just trying to be creative, I guess.
Maybe it's pronounced Riz with a silent D.
Maybe.
I'm very happy. I think we're the first ones they've approved. So these random, are they just starting up apps out of nowhere? I've never heard of these ones.
I've never heard of it either.
What is that? Maybe they're not.
This isn't the same. This has an H.
Yeah, this looks like it's Swedish or something.
These are all My Wheels with an H. This is from the Netherlands. This is not the same one.
Meals on Wheels.
It said go scroll up and click on search instead for
Oh, not that one. Here we go. My wheels. There we go. They need a new website. I'll
Yeah,
take
for
that.
real. Need a new logo too.
Holy crap, this logo sucks. My wheels. Why did they circle the E's?
Because
Looks
those
like
are
my
wheels. They're
Huh?
wheels.
Oh, it looks like my wool, but nothing like there's no
This
symmetry.
font is terrible too. Like for a website. Oops.
Let's look up Rids. Rids. Oh, this one's pretty good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this one they invested some in their design department. A little bit.
It still could be better.
Yeah, honestly, having an entire like city skyline in your logo is like a little extra.
Yeah.
Like it's a bit unnecessary to do because imagine like it's just not like it's just a lot.
It's not
Anyways,
something that's just like quick and easy, like Uber. It's just Uber.
where's the app?
You want to change? We heard you loud and clear. Rise is transforming the rideshare industry on how drivers get paid.
I don't want to get copyright for that music. But looks interesting. That one looks more promising, honestly, than my wheels, but
Yeah.
who knows? Maybe they'll hire a designer.
Move Financial?
Move. I feel like I've heard.
Oh, this one looks good. This looks like better than the other ones.
Yeah. Oh, it's in India?
What?
Donate. Someone donate.
They should go on a Kickstarter or something. I don't understand. Like,
Oh no, this is not it. This is not it. Here we go. Movemo. This is it.
are you
No,
sure?
is it? Yeah, this is a rideshare app in Minneapolis. Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Maybe they're just like a younger startup. Anyways, guys, these are the 3 new apps that could take over Uber and Lyft. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Any final updates, thoughts?
No.
All right, thanks for watching.